Good evening and welcome to this evening's Equity Market Wrap. My name is Lisa Pallavi Barbora. The markets were euphoric after Friday's election outcome became clear, but on Friday itself, a lot of that euphoria turned into profit booking by the time markets closed. That meant that there was some room today as well for the markets to show a positive opening, which is what happened. Although the first half of trade was a little volatile, finally both the BSE Sensex and the Nifty ended with gains of around 1%. The Sensex closed at 24,363 and the Nifty at around 7,263. But the real story was in the market internals, was in segments which were expected to benefit from a positive election outcome. And so we saw the BSE Power Index rising as much as 10% in trade today. The Capital Goods Index was up around 8.5%. And the indices which suffered were the ones where the rupee appreciation didn't go down well. And as a result, the IT index was down as much as 5% today. Coming to individual stocks, HDFC Bank was up 3% as the board has approved an increase in its share capital limit. Also, talking about what was exactly happening, there were a lot of individual stocks which went up by a large margin today, mostly in the power and capital goods segment. So, to give you a few names, Jaiprakash Power Ventures was a big gainer, up 30% today. Others like GVK Power, India Bulls Power, also Suzlon Energy, they were all up around 20%. There were many other names in this group. The ones that did not do well are the ones where the rupee appreciation isn't taken very well. So your Infosys was down nearly 5%. Also what was down was Wipro around 4.2%. Pharma stocks were down. Sun Pharma was down nearly 5%. Lupin was down around 4.5%. Coming to the Sensex names, the same story repeats. BHEL was the biggest gainer, up nearly 17%. Also, Coal India was up around 12.7%. At the bottom of the pile, it was Dr. Reddy's Lab, which was down around 5.2%, and DCS, which was down around 5.7%. We'll have to wait and see if tomorrow as well the rally in these stocks continues, and if the IT and pharma names also continue to decline. That's all from me. Do log on to livemint.com for more details. Thank you.